let's do it again. That guy can walk right in the shot.
We are at the Hershey's
Chocolate world. One is only happy in proportion as he makes others feel happy. M.S. Hershey. This guy loves chocolate. Remember Snavely. Can you remember Snavely? Milton.
Snavely?
Snavely.
Snavely.
Yes. Okay, first things first, we need to learn the history. We're gonna get like the Cliff Notes 15-minute version of the history of chocolate and how it's made. This whole place is all about candy and chocolate. Isn't that awesome?
Chocolate.
By the time we're done with this, I'm gonna ask you lots of questions. You better know the answers to. You ready? Okay, go. You are really gonna like 1989 to 1994. The floor is moving. The floor is moving. Do you see this, Lincoln?
Looks like chocolate.
For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times.
Oh my gosh!
Welcome to our dairy farm.
Its eyes were down and it was just like, hello everyone!
We got Derry the cow. Hey, what's up, Derry?
Cows!
Oh, hey. Goodbye, cows. Look at that shot of chocolate being made. This is where you roast people. All right, we're gonna be roasted. You ready to get roasted, Lincoln? Do you even know what roasting means?
Flavor and color.
That is all chocolate.
I just want to go dive in the chocolate.
There's got to be a pool somewhere
It's
that we can like jump in and swim.
Actually, like dive in.
Yeah, that would be fun.
Blue raspberry. Do you see that? Right there.
How did you find that?
I'm like looking at chocolate.
Wow. Okay, if you could only choose 3 things on here to eat the rest of your life, which one would it be?
This is
Reese's?
one. This.
Jolly Rancher Crunch and Chew.
Actually, no, not that one. Not that one. This one.
Hard candy. Okay, what's the next one?
This
Oh,
one.
hey, good boy. That's a good boy.
I didn't know if they were different at all.
I was waiting for you to say that one. I'm noticing that this Cocoa Pod looks kind of like his shirt, but these are pineapples. Don't be confused by pineapples. Totally different.
Yeah, totally different.
Right now, we get to make our own candy bar, so this is gonna be cool. What's inside Lincoln's candy bar, and what's inside the What's Inside candy bar? Because one of them is gonna be the What's Inside candy bar, and so, I don't know what's gonna be inside of it. If it was a true What's Inside candy bar, what would be inside of it? This nice thing on right there. Keep it clean, Lincoln.
Okay.
Looking sharp, buddy. All right, scan your ticket.
White chocolate.
White chocolate, huh?
Yeah. What's it gonna be? It's gonna be that one.
Wait, so you just choose one? That's already made. You make your own right now.
I know.
Chocolate cookie bits. This is about you making your own bar.
Yes.
You don't need to make something that's already out there in the store. This is going to be unique to only you.
No, but that's what I like.
All right, go with what you like. Are you ready for this, guys? This is the What's Inside bar. It's happening. What would be inside the What's Inside bar? Milk chocolate, for sure. What else would be in there? Crisp rice would be in it. Cookie bits. Semi-sweet chocolate chips. Sprinkles. Why not?
Sprinkles.
Hey, sprinkles?
Yeah.
That's your chocolate.
Suction cup. Suction. Whoa.
Oh, there
Yes.
we go, buddy. Okay, so it's gonna go into there,
Chocolate.
and it's gonna get covered in a beautiful chocolate river.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, look at that chocolate thing coming out of there.
Look at that thing. It's just going up and down so fast.
What's that thing? Yeah, look at that. So yours is white chocolate on the bottom and dark milk chocolate on the top. That's actually kind of cool.
Yeah.
Here's the production schedule. Looks like we are on track for today's delivery. Try like this. Whoa!
Whoa.
What's that? It's got like a box. There's a box down here. Oh no, it's pushing it. It pushed it in the box. Look here, laser operation. Don't look at the lasers.
Don't look at the lasers.
Oh, this is what's happening.
See, that's your name, so that's how I know it's yours.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna put your wrapper on it, then I'll need your ticket. Thank you.
Your wrapper.
There you go, buddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I officially name you a chocolatier for life. Well done. I'm proud of you, son.
Okay.
Lincoln, I don't think you need to be wearing that anymore.
I know, but do we need to give it back?
I think you just throw it in the garbage. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get it off of me.
Why don't you just untie it? Here we go. It is time. The big unveiling. There she is.
Whoa, this thing's heavy.
Oh, you can't even bite it. Oh, come on, eat your chocolate. Yeah, I dropped it.
That's a lot of chocolate.
What? Can I try a bite?
You have 2.
That's what's inside. What should we do with this one, guys? What's inside? We feel like we should give it away to somebody. If you want the what's inside chocolate bar, let us know in the comments. Maybe we'll put like a little giveaway link. If you want us to mail this to you, we are not going to eat it. It's the exact one that was made here. We will not tamper with it. Cookies and cream cupcake.
I know, but look at that.
Reese's white peanut butter cup mini. This place is like a dream come true.
Yeah, you guys are YouTubers.
We are YouTubers.
Yeah.
What's up, guys?
I watch Casey Neistat, and you guys are like,
That's what I'm being for Halloween.
what?
Yeah.
I got chocolate peanut butter. Ow!
The place is starting to clear out right now. It's near the end of the day. We haven't even done the main channel video. Like, we haven't cut open the cacao pods yet. We're gonna go do that in just a minute, but we're kind of waiting because we have knives and stuff, and we don't want people to be scared that we have these random knives and we're cutting open stuff. We're waiting till 6 p.m. until everybody clears out, and then we're going nuts on those things. These are our friends from Pennsylvania. They've been helping us with this whole daydream thing with the main channel video. How many have you guys made today?
I don't know. Bunch of them. We're gonna count it for you guys. Hold on 1 second.
I was not looking for an exact answer, but apparently we are getting it. Denisha and Denise do not mess around. They want to know exact numbers.
18, 19.
Oh,
19. I was right.
man. Oh!
I want this for my room.
That's funny. You're not getting it. How soft is this, Lincoln?
It's pretty soft, actually.
I am loving this Hershey's place. This is the best. What's inside of Hershey's? Oh, look. World's largest candy store. Okay, this is the part of the day where we buy
This is
chocolate
the right
to take
one.
home. Leslie told me to just get 1 piece of candy for the girls, so we're just gonna stick to that. We're only gonna get 1.
We're gonna get 2, 1 for each.
We're gonna get this small candy bar. World's largest.
2 of them. We're gonna get 2 of them.
And I think we need to get one of these.
2 of each. 2 of each. This will be so good.
Okay, get them. We need a cart for all of our chocolate. This is really happening right now. We're responsible chocolate eaters. We are, but we just need to stock up. Whoa, look how long these are. Look at that, Lincoln. That's like, they're huge. Okay, I'm getting one of these. Whoa, look.
This is.
This is like the best place we've ever been to.
I know, right? Yeah.
Okay, go high five Hershey Kiss, girl. Don't hit it too hard.
I know. I'm not gonna break it.
Oh, high five. Yeah, that's your girl. That's your girl. Yes. Thanks for your help. Do you want to see what's inside of Cocoa Pods? All right, we out, Lincoln. Let's get out of this place. That was fun. We're gonna come back and bring the whole family next time.
Yeah, that'll be
Actually
fun.
check the place out. Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Look at that sign.
Oh, it lights up.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, we are out of here. We have no car. Might be here for a while. This is so heavy and it's like all chocolate.
I know. It's so weird.
One.